In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an author to a PowerPoint presentation. This is a great way to give credit or collaborate with others when working on a project. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Microsoft PowerPoint app. If you don't have it open already, just go ahead and launch it from your applications or search for it on your computer. Once you're in, you'll need to either create a new presentation or select one you've previously worked on. This process works for any presentation you have on the app, so don't worry if you are starting from scratch or picking up an older project. After opening your presentation, take a moment to look at the top menu and find the File tab. Clicking on File will open up a menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Here you'll see a list of options. What you're looking for is the Info section. This is typically the first option on the menu, and it gives you all the details about your presentation, such as the size of the file, the title, and importantly, the authorship details. In the info section, you'll see an area that allows you to add or edit authors. Look for the option to add an author. Clicking this will give you the ability to input the name of someone you'd like to acknowledge as a contributor or a collaborator on your project. Type their name into the box provided. This is where Microsoft PowerPoint lets you ensure that everyone who contributed is duly recognized. Make sure to double check the spelling and input as their correct full name, as these details can be important for clarity and recognition. As a bonus step, you may wish to draw or insert a shape to highlight or incorporate a note about the authorship directly in the slides themselves. This can give a more visual acknowledgement within the presentation. Shapes can be found under the Insert menu if you want to add that personal touch to the slides by including a note or acknowledgement box with detailed authorship information. And that's it, just a handful of simple steps, and you've successfully added an author to your PowerPoint presentation. This feature can be especially useful if you're collaborating with others or want to give credit where it's due. Remember, proper acknowledgement supports teamwork and is an essential part of any collaborative effort. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and if you found this video useful, consider subscribing for more tips and tutorials on making the most out of your software tools. Enjoy creating and collaborating on your presentations.